walk into an event where you don't seem to know anybody in the room. Everybody is chopping it up and highly animated. The hair on the back of your neck starts to stand up. You get anxious and you scream to yourself, "Eek!" Inside, of course. Stay tuned. I have some great tips for navigating this exact situation. Hey, it's me, Stephen Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I record and post useful business content here because I believe that mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Hello, world changers. It's me, Stephen Burchard, the Bowtie Coach, here, ready to dive into the ocean of the extroverted business world. As an introvert, it can feel like swimming with sharks, but don't worry, I've got your life jacket of knowledge and mindset to toss your way. Let's face it, folks, the business world often feels like it's run by extroverts, right? Networking events where everybody's chattering away can be more daunting than trying to tie a bow tie blindfolded, okay? But here's where knowledge is power comes into play. Knowing your strengths as an introvert is like having a superpower. Spoiler alert, it's not about being the loudest person in the room. Remember, folks, mindset matters most. As introverts, we bring thoughtful insights, deep connections, focus, honesty, understanding, and empathy with an inherent knack for active listening. Truly a rare gem in the booming sea of small talk. To become more effective and good at this game, it's really about identifying and leveraging your strengths. Lean into them. They are your superpowers. Stop thinking about how you're not like Joe over there and start leaning into what you're good at and amplifying it. For example, I'm good at finding common ground and connecting with people. Once I find that common ground with engaging questions, I drill down deeper into that connection to create a sense of affinity with the person. As my superpower, I lean into this to keep me engaged and out of that limited mindset and self-dialogue. Think of this superpower as bringing a bow tie to a neck party. You're standing out for all the right reasons, okay? And for my fellow introvert entrepreneurs, I've got something special for you. My new course, Networking for Introverts. It was tailor-made for navigating and succeeding in an extroverted business world while staying true to your introvert self. Follow the link in the description to find out more and to join, because in this course, we untie those extroverted knots in business networking. My introverted compatriots, embrace your inner strengths and superpowers in this extroverted world. Knowledge and mindset aren't just slogans. They're your armor and your sword in the business battlefield. If you ever feel like the odd bow tie out, remember, that's actually where your power lies. So stay knowledgeable, keep your mindset sharp, and let your introvert flag fly. Hey, please share this video with your introverted allies and let's show the business world the quiet power of introversion. Now, watch this awesome video about the birth of the Bowtie Coach. Bye! And for my fellow introverted Stefan's tone becomes that's a stage direction. Why isn't it red? Hey, please share this video with the power of introversion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid. Bye!